Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this very simple bridesmaid's bouquet or bride's bouquet using lilies and eucalyptus. So how to make this bridal bouquet or bridesmaid's bouquet is you start with the main flower, which I've chosen lilies. And it's very simple, and then I just add in some eucalyptus, and again you need to make sure you're spiraling the stems. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that you need to always keep the stems, once you spiral them, in the same direction. And then I would just add another lily here. And this one. And make sure there's no leaves around where you're going to tie the flowers. And then to color the bouquet, which also protects the lilies a bit more, is I would just add some eucalyptus around the bottom. And making sure it's very tight. Then I would just tie it with some very thin string. And the way I would do that is I would have my thumb here holding the string and then just wrap it around really tightly. Perch it on the end of the worktop or table and tie it. I would tie it twice just to make sure it holds. Then I cut the string, and then I make sure that these are even, so you don't need it too long. I think there would be enough. And then to finish it off, I would get some tape to smooth that out a bit and twist it round. This is floristry tape. And then I would add some ribbon. And this, you want to twist it round really tight, covering the tape and the string. Then I would cut the ribbon, and to hold that ribbon in place, I would pin it. And that is the bride's bouquet, or the bridesmaid's bouquet. Very simple, quick and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.